Why do we get hiccups? Imagine a tiny orchestra in your body where everything needs to work in harmony. One key player is your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle at the bottom of your chest that helps you breathe by contracting and relaxing. Sometimes, this muscle can get a bit out of sync. When the diaphragm suddenly contracts involuntarily, it causes you to suck air into your lungs quickly. This rush of air hits your voice box, causing your vocal cords to close suddenly and make that distinctive hic sound. But why does this happen? Hiccups can be triggered by a number of things, like eating too quickly, swallowing air, or even sudden excitement or stress. These triggers can irritate the nerves that control your diaphragm, causing it to spasm. While hiccups are usually harmless and go away on their own, they can be quite a nuisance. If they last longer than 48 hours, it's a good idea to see a doctor, as it might indicate an underlying health issue.